How's it going, guys? Today I was trying to figure out why my Model 1 Xbox was kept fragging, having a blinking light, not the red light of death, but a different sequence of like orange and green. It would turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, stay running, but I wouldn't be receiving a picture or any audio. But here's the culprit. This is where the clock capacitor is, and this cap right here is the one that's bad. Now, to see it with the naked eye, you got to have pretty good eyes to see it, but I only found it by looking through a magnifying glass. And as you can see on the bottom, the sulfuric looking discoloration on the pads and traces. We'll see if I can get a better look on it. Yeah, there at the bottom of it, there was just some little deposits, not even really, like I said, not even really nothing to notice with the naked eye, but let me turn on the top light. With the dust and stuff on the board, I really couldn't see, but after I got the dust off, you could see the blobs pretty much right there where it's leaked out. It's run back over the back side of the board. I've checked it, and there is no trace damage. And what I'll do now is remove this capacitor, and I'm going to go ahead and remove this one too, because it does have a little bit of as you can see, a little bit of corrosion on the pad itself. I'm going to go ahead and remove all three of these and replace them. The general area of this, if you this would be the front part of the board, right by the clock capacitor, which will be them. You'll have three big capacitors right here. Then you would have like a mid-size capacitor there, where the white rings are now. That's your clock capacitor. There's plenty of videos out there. Luke Morris has one. It's really easy to follow, and a tutorial on how to get it out. But that's my culprit, guys, and now I'm going to replace these and see if I can get her up and going, because I'm really looking forward to seeing her shine again. And just to desolder it, you just need to take it out of its case, which there's a ton of videos on that. Just apply a little bit of fresh solder on your pins, and it'll help it a lot. I also have some liquid flux. Really makes the process a lot easier. You can, if you're having problems with it, using a solder sucker, sometimes these suctions on these aren't that good, and you really got to work with these to get them to work right and make your solder puddle good. But sometimes they just can't get into places that you need them to, and don't have enough vacuum. You can pick these up at any hardware store, electronic store. You just push down the plunger, heat up your solder, and this little budding on the side. Whenever you get your solder puddled up nice, you hit it and it sucks it up in there. If you're still having problems, you can pick you up some desoldering braid and just lay your soldering braid over the part that you're wanting to desolder, and then run your soldering iron over the top of the braid, lay it on top of it, and just move it around, and it'll suck it right up. Well guys, I hope this was helpful, and just keeping you posted on getting the old man up and going again. I am also, as you've seen on some of my previous videos, how to remove these, your heat sinks, and put new thermal compound on them. Really helps with the cooling of the system. Well guys, peace out from Texas. And don't throw your stuff away. Take your time and fix it. Even if you're not that good, if you just take your time and it's already broke, just go over it and see if you can make something happen. Peace out.